Hi students, now discuss about pseudostratified epithelium. It is the one type of the simple epithelium. Simple epithelium, it is that is made up of single layer of the cells, made up of single layer of columnar cells. Student, this is the pseudostratified epithelium consists of columnar epithelial cells, single layer of the columnar epithelial cells. Next, nuclei present at different levels. Nuclei are present at different levels. Okay, all nuclei not at the present of the same levels. Okay, nuclei present at different levels, and all cells contact with the basement membrane. Some amount of the cells are small in size and some amount of the cells are larger and columnar. Okay, and all cells are contact with the basement membrane or lying on the basement membrane, surface of basement membrane. Instead, which are the cells are example for this? These are divided into pseudostratified epithelium, that is divides into two types again. One is ciliated and another one is non-ciliated. Ciliated pseudostratified epithelium, non-ciliated pseudostratified epithelium. In this, ciliated present in trachea with goblet cells. Okay, surface of the trachea. Trachea is the also called windpipe. It is the part of the respiratory system. The lining of the trachea is with ciliated pseudostratified epithelium with goblet cells. Goblet cells also present in some regions. Goblet cells secrete mucus. Okay, student. Next, non-ciliated present in epididymis without goblet cells. Non-ciliated pseudostratified epithelium present at the lining of the epididymis. Epididymis, these are the parts of the male reproductive system, and locates behind to the testis and helps in passage of the sperm cells to the vas deferens. Okay, epididymis is the highly coiled tubular structures behind the testis of the male reproductive system, and at this region which shows the non-ciliated pseudostratified epithelium without the goblet cells. Goblet cells are absent. Next, another student, another one of the epithelial tissue, that is compound epithelium. Compound epithelium, it is also called stratified epithelium. Stratified, that means more layers. Compound epithelium does not exist the simple layer, single layer, consists more than one layers. Cell layers are available in more layers, made up of more than one layer. Next, provides, what about the use of this stratified epithelium? Provides protection against chemical and mechanical stress to the part of the body, to the tissue of the body. And it is again, student, it is the compound epithelium, divides into four types. Students, divides into four types. In this, first one is the stratified keratinized squamous epithelium. Stratified keratinized squamous epithelium. Okay, the squamous epithelium, that means cells are available in the form of the tile-like shape. Stratified keratinized squamous epithelium present at the skin, in the region of the skin and the hair, nails. Dry surface of the skin is formed by stratified keratinized squamous epithelium. Keratin is the one of the protein, already you know, present at the region of the skin, hair, nails. Next, student, second one is stratified non-keratinized squamous epithelium. Stratified non-keratinized squamous epithelium. It is the squamous epithelium and stratified and without the keratin. Covers the moist surface of the some regions in the body such as buccal cavity or the oral cavity. And student, pharynx, marged surface of the pharynx, and the esophagus and vagina. Vagina is the part of the male reproductive system. Marged surface of the vagina, it is with stratified non-keratinized squamous epithelium. Where the keratin is present, that forms the rough surface or the dry surface. Okay, without the keratin, non-keratin, and that is forms the marged surface. Okay, next third one is stratified cuboidal epithelium. Cube-like shape cells are present. Stratified cuboidal epithelium, and it forms the inner lining of the some ducts, some amount of the ducts in the body of animal. Forms inner lining of ducts of the salivary glands. Salivary glands are three pairs present in the human beings, and these are the salivary glands secretes saliva, okay, into the oral cavity. And ducts, lining of the ducts of salivary glands, and ducts of the sweat glands. Sweat glands are present throughout the skin. These are the sweat glands present in numerous at the region of the armpit and sole of the feet and palm of the hand. These are the regions consist numerous amount of the sweat glands which secretes the sweat. Okay, ducts of the sweat glands and pancreatic duct. Pancreas is the part of the digestive system. It is the gland present in the digestive system which secretes pancreatic juice and also secretes pancreatic hormones. Pancreatic juice, it is enters into the secretes from the pancreas and enters into the duct of the pancreas, pancreatic duct, and later it is combined with the hepatic duct and forms the hepatopancreatic duct, which is opens into the first part of the small intestine called duodenum. The duct that is arises from the pancreas, pancreatic duct, is lines with the stratified cuboidal epithelium. Next, last one, that is the transitional epithelium. Transitional epithelium forms the wall of the urinary bladder. Wall of the urinary bladder formed with transitional epithelium. It is the one type of the compound epithelium or stratified epithelium. What about the urinary bladder? Urinary bladder is the sock-like structure, pear-shaped bag-like arrangement present at the pelvis region of the human body. And kidneys forms the urine and transfer, send out through the ureter and finally reaches into the urinary bladder. You see, urinary bladder wall, it is made up with the stratified epithelium, that is the transitional epithelium. Student, it is the diagrammatic part that shows about the compound epithelium. It is the one of the layer of the cells, and it is the another one of the layer, it is the another one of the layer, it is the bottom layer that consists more layer of the cells, more layer of the cells. Multi-layered cells are present in the compound epithelium or stratified epithelium. Okay, and all the cells, cellular layers, are present on the surface of the basement membrane. These are the nucleus. Okay, student, each cell consists at the center region, that is the nucleus.